how big is this threat for people that are not aware of kind of what's happening?
I am more concerned about, how should I phrase this? The lack of understanding that we're dealing with a completely new type of detection requirements. And the way I try to explain it is, think of a legacy firewall, right? It looks at frames, packets, ports, destination sources, and so on and so forth. What we now need to do is we need to examine natural language, right? So I always say natural language is the new code, because there is very little coding requirements of getting agents up and running. We work with quite a bit of enterprises that are working on playbooks that every business department gets, because they don't need IT anymore to get an agent up and running. So IT and the cybersecurity department are now tasked to issue these handbooks and these guidelines in sense of what you should and should not do, initiating agents. So the fact that you need the ability to detect and respond on natural language, I think that is one of the major new challenges.